Ugh. Here we go. Back out to the wilderness. I tried recording this first, but it didn't work, so I gotta redo it again. Oh well. How am I supposed to get through this? Man, so this is ridiculous. I mean, I can't get through this that easy. This is crazy. Easy.